If you like to record videos like I do with a green screen behind me, well, this is actually not a green screen. This is a gradient background, but you can see this because I'm using a green screen. Or maybe you want to see how I share my screens this way, that I'm at the right corner without a box behind me, just transparent on my screen. Then stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this too, and even more with a free program called OBS. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey guys, Tim Verdouwer, and welcome to this training where I'm going to show you how you can record professional videos like I do with everything included. I got a lot of questions from people asking me, hey Tim, how do you do that? How do you record your videos? You have high quality videos. How can you do that? Or how do you do that? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do that too for free with a program which is called OBS. You're seeing it right now in the background. This is a program called OBS, and you can get that from a website which is called obsproject.com. Simply go there. If you can find it, simply type in Google download OBS. And here you can download the Windows, Mac version and Linux version. So that you can install this on your computer. Now, when you've installed it, this is the program that you're going to use. And maybe you have used it before, maybe you have no idea how to use it. But I'm going to show you how you can use this in a very professional way. Now, first, let me explain you how OBS works. OBS, when you look at OBS here at the bottom, you see you have two sections. You have the scenes here. And you have sources. Now, maybe this is a bit confusing, but it's very simple actually. Within the scenes, you're going to create different scenes that you're going to select during your recording. So when you see the start of this video, you saw me in front of a gradient background. That was one scene. Then you saw a intro video, that was another scene. Then I came back to you, that was the first scene again. And then I shared my screen, which was the third scene. So all these different kind of recordings, or how I'm in the camera, that's called a scene. And that's what you're seeing here. You got an intro video, different background, a screen share. Now within each scene, you need to specify what kind of sources you want to use. So that could be your camera, that could be a screen share, that could be an image that you want to share, that could be a video. So I think the best thing to do is just show you how it works and how you can do this in OBS yourself. So let me go to OBS and let me show you how it works. So first, you're going to create your scene here at the left side. If you open OBS for the first time, you will notice that there are no scenes. So click on the plus button here and create your own scene. So this is a new one. Just call it new, and you'll see here there's a new at the bottom now. But what we're going to do is we're going to click the intro. You're going to create an intro scene like I'm having here, and then you're going to add your source. So when I click on plus here, I can add my source. Now, these are all the different kinds of sources that I can choose from in OBS that I want to use. Now, in this case, we first want to add our camera, right? We want to be in front of our audience because we want to use our camera. So you need to have a video capture device. So you select that one, and you could change this to your webcam or whatever camera you have, and you click OK. Now, right now, you need to choose your camera, your device. So I have two options, my C922 or my FaceTime camera. So I'm going to select the C922, and there I am. Hello, this is Tim. And then what you need to do is, which is really important if you're going to use green screen video, that is you need to change your preset to high. This is because green screen needs a high resolution to filter out the background. So let's press OK. As you can see, this is me now in front of my green screen. Now, what is very important when you do green screen recording, that you have a green screen that is the same color of green everywhere. So this is even not the perfect green screen that you're seeing right here, because this has a darker spot, this has a lighter spot. You see a line in here. but that's because I'm very limited in the situation that I'm in right now. Maybe you have something like this. This is a ceiling that it is too small in your location, but that's not a problem. I'm going to show you exactly how you can crop your screen, etc. The most important thing when you want to do green screen recording, first of all, is that you have a green screen, of course. And the second thing is most important while doing green screen recording is that you have the right lighting. You need to have good lighting. So take a light box, buy a few light boxes, put them on your face so that you have a good lighting, that the background has a good lighting. And the most perfect thing is if it has all the same green background, so that filtering your background becomes a lot easier. Now, as you can see here, there is my chair also. I can move that more to the side so it's gone, but you still see the shadow. Now, if you're in a limited situation, I'm going to show you what you can do. Now, first of all, you need to crop your screen. To do so, you press the Alt button on your computer and you're going to drag these to the inside. So you can see now I'm dragging this, and you can also drag the top. So right now you can see this looks very good. The background is green. And then what we need to do is we need to filter out the green background. So to do so, you're going to right click on your webcam and you go to filters. And this will open a new tab for you where you can apply filters. Now you can play with this by putting all different kind of filters. The one you need most is the green screen. So you're going to hit the plus button, the bottom one, to add the filter, and you're going to add a chroma key. So just press OK. And right now you can see that it already filtered out the background. So you see it's gray, it's at 400. When I put it back, you see it becomes green again. So it needs to be a gray background. So this looks pretty good. We still have the black spot here at the right, but we filtered that one out. So when I press close, you will see, voila, I'm already filtered. The background is already filtered. Now, OBS works similar to products like Photoshop, where you work with different layers. So what we want to do is we want to add a layer to the background, right? So to do so, we're going to hit the plus again. And here we're going to add an image. So here, do you see that image? We're going to select an image. We're going to say, okay, image, we can call this background. I'm going to say, okay. And now we can select an image from our computer. So I already stored some on my computer. So let me browse here. Let me go to my downloads and then to my images OBS. And here we're going to use the gradient black. Let me say okay, and boom, there it is. You see that? So right now, this is the gradient black background, black-blue background that you saw at the beginning of the video. But the problem is that I'm not on top of this video, and that's what I said. It's similar to Photoshop. So what you're going to do is you're going to change these layers in here. You need to drag the webcam on top of the background, or the background below the webcam, and boom, there it is. Do you see that? So right now, I already created the first scene that I opened this video with. And you could change this background to any kind of background you like. So what you also can do is you can simply, let me open another one. Let me add another background. So I'm going to click on plus. And now I think it's called media source. Let me try that. And let's say video background, because you can do all different kind of things with this. So I'm going to select my media source, and now it's a background loop. So this is a loop video. Now look what happens now. I'm going to say this video needs to loop. So you have different options, and it needs to restart automatically when it becomes active. So when I press OK, you see now I have this background on top of me. Now, again, we need to put the webcam on top of it. So we're going to drag this layer, and look what happens. Boom, there I am on top of this video background, and it looks very professional, right? So imagine like I want to, let's say I want to promote a specific product, or I want to talk about the product, or I want to talk about whatever. Then I can add transparent layers on top of this scene also, because this is a scene. Remember, we're still in the intro scene. And what you can do is you can hit the plus again and you click image and press OK. And now we're going to select our product. So let's say this is our product image. Look what happens. I'm going to press OK. So this is our product image. I'm going to scale this and look what kind of picture we have now. So I can talk about this product. I can say, hey guys, welcome to this review of this amazing product. I want to talk about this product. Now, here we also see the eyeballs. Let me see if I can zoom in here so I can show you. You see this video background. Do you see that eyeball? I can also deselect that, deselect this image. Boom. And then it's out of there. Do you see that? So you can select this, unselect this, and you can do that with every scene. So I can also disable my webcam, as you can see. So these are all different kinds of layers that you can put on and off. And let me show once more. You see, this is the background right now. Boom, I can take the image away. And that's how you work with these kinds of layers. Now, this is the first scene. Let me get this away. Let me get the video background, and this is the background that we just started with. So hey guys, this is Tim. If you want to create the same videos like I do, then the second scene that we want to do is a bumper video, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to select the second scene. As you can see, you don't see me in the background anymore because that is a different scene that we have selected. So to do so, we're going to hit the plus button, and here we're going to select media source again. Press OK. And now we're going to select our bumper video, our intro video. So let's say this is my intro video. I'm opening this. I don't want to loop this video because I only want to use that once. Now look what happens. You see, this is the video that is starting right now. So what I do normally is I switch between scenes. So you can say, hey, this is me. Welcome to this video. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this and that and blah, blah, blah. And then what you can do is you can switch to the next scene. Boom. There it is. You see? So first you got your intro. You're finished talking. You click on intro video. And then you go back to your intro. You're going to talk further about the subject. And then you want to share your screen also. So how do you do that? Now, one thing I want to mention during this video, the recording of this video, you see that I do everything in one screen. So the best thing to work with OBS is if you have two screens. So you can move your OBS screen to a second screen where you can select your scenes, etc. And you can share your desktop like I'm doing right now. So this is the second scene where you can add a video. And then the third scene, let's say I want to share my screen. You can create a new scene. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new video capture. So I'm going to add my camera again. So maybe I can even go to my intro video and I can take my webcam. I'm going to copy this, go to my screen share. I'm going to paste that in here. Boom. You see, my webcam is in here. So that's the most easy way. So you don't have to apply the green screen filter again. And then simply what you need to do is make yourself smaller, like I'm doing right here, and put yourself at the right side of the screen. Now, let me put myself off of this screen, so otherwise it will be double. So you can see I'm right now at the right side of the screen. And the only thing that you need to do is to add your desktop. Now, in this scene, you're going to hit the plus button again. And then what you need to do is, let me see which one this is. So we got window capture. And with a window capture, you can select a specific window on your computer. If you want to share your complete screen, then you need to, let me see which one that is. You need to window capture. Let me see what that is. Display capture. So this way you share your whole screen. But the best way to do is to take a window capture. Simply select OK. And here you can select the specific window that you want to share. So let's say I want to share my window, my OBS window, my open broadcaster software window, as you can see here, and I'm going to hit OK. So right now you can see that I'm sharing my screen. So this is my screen, and I want to have myself on top of this. So again, I'm going to move this layer here to the bottom, and now I'm on top of the screen. So right now you can see you have the exact same videos like you're always seeing that I'm doing while I'm doing my reviews, etc. By simply filtering my background, put myself on top of it, and now I can share my screen. I can talk about this software. I can just mention it, and also during my recording, I can move myself also. So this is me. I can also select my webcam, and I can move myself to the left side of the screen if I like to. This is all live while I'm doing this, while I'm recording this, and that's the easy thing of OBS. Now, another cool thing that you can do, for example, is if you want to ask people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So what we can do is we can duplicate this scene in here. Let me see if that works. It should work normally. Normally you could duplicate your screen. Let me see. The problem is that I'm also using multiple screen recording softwares right now. Oh, there it is. Screen share 2. I didn't see that. So what was I trying to tell you? Oh yeah, that was the subscribe. So I'm going to rename this to subscribe. This scene. Now you can see this is the exact same scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a layer again, a media source. Okay. And now I'm going to hit my subscribe to YouTube. This is a transparent video. And I can say, okay, now look what happens. Subscribe to my video to get notified. So while I'm sharing my screen, so look what I'm doing here. So let me zoom in to show you what I'm talking about. So right now, I'm switching scenes in here. So you see, this is the subscribe tab that you're seeing here at the bottom. This is subscribe. This is my normal screen share. But when I hit subscribe in here, you will see, boom, 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 this appears on the screen. Now let me zoom out and let me do it one more time. So what you're seeing here is this is my screen share. And when I ask people to subscribe to my channel, I switch scenes. Do you see that? And I'm doing this all live. So while I'm doing video recordings, I never have to edit my videos at the end, because everything that I'm doing live, switching live. I'm asking people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I simply share my different scene. I simply hit subscribe and boom, that video starts playing. I want to go back to my intro screen. Okay, I'm going back. Do you see that? So I'm switching. So let's say I'm doing a video like I'm doing normally. I say, hey guys, this is Tim Verdouw. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about this and that. I'll be right back in a second. Boom, there is my video. And then once that video is gone, hey guys, thank you for watching. Welcome to this and that. And then I'm going to share my screen. So I'm going to talk about my product. Do you see that everything that I'm doing live right now? And I'm saying at the end, hey, and by the way, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button to stay updated with my latest reviews. So basically, that's my video, and thank you for watching. So I hope you have a good idea how you can use OBS to create different scenes, and you could add all different kind of layers on top here. You can share whatever you want. You can share your screen. You can share different backgrounds. You can change your backgrounds. Let's say the video background, boom, there it is. It's all live. And that's how easy you can work with OBS. And that's my video from today. I hope you liked it. And by the way, subscribe, of course, to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like if you got some value out of this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And by the way, I have a more in-depth training also about settings, etc. Because you also need to have some settings correctly to record your voice, etc. If you'd like to know more, then there's a link below this video that will give you a full course on OBS that I've created. You simply need to subscribe, and then I will give you access to that full course where I'm also going to show you how to set your settings in OBS, etc. So make sure you click that button also. Don't forget to like this video, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have an awesome day and talk soon. Bye-bye.